Even So Come, Chris Tomlin, E minor, relative minor of G. So you're basically, for most of the songs at the bridge, you're just doing eighth notes in your right hand, which is going A minor to E minor, G, and D. So you're just pretty much for the whole song. So the bridge, kind of, you bring it down. And then once you do that, the first time through, keep doing the bass hand that you're doing, but you're gonna go E over the C, and then when you go to the E minor, you're gonna go up to G, A, then to F sharp for the D. And then add octaves, so you're gonna add a higher. So you're gonna go up with it, just to add a little more pizzazz. And that, you would just feel that out, you know, break it down. Then just do the single, and then do the octave as you start to build the song. That's pretty much it for Even So Come.